safe handling of compressed gas cylinders. Not long ago, I was watching a construction site. I saw an oxygen cylinder and a hydrogen cylinder connected to a welding torch through regulators and hoses. What caught my attention was their location. Right in a crowded area. There were bricklayers pouring concrete, workers pushing wheelbarrows, plumbers moving heavy pipes, and all kinds of activity happening nearby. It made me uncomfortable to be so close to those gas cylinders. I had the feeling that any small accident could turn those tanks into rocket-propelled bombs. I remembered a serious incident. An acetylene tank was bumped. It hit another tank, and the valve broke off. The escaping gas turned it into a missile. It shot through a door, smashed into a car 50 meters away, pierced the trunk, exited through the windshield, then blasted through a house wall 150 meters farther, and finally stopped. Luckily, no one was in its path. But if someone had been, they wouldn't have survived. Of course, you don't need a flying tank to have an accident. Let a cylinder roll over your shin, and you could be out of work for months with a broken leg. The truth is, gas cylinders are tricky to handle and store. You need to stay alert every single second. Maybe you already know the rules. Still, it never hurts to review them. Here are 2 to remember. 1. Always treat every gas cylinder as if it's full. "I didn't know it was loaded" is no excuse. Just like with a gun. 2. Never handle cylinders while wearing gloves that are greasy or oily.